Welcome back to Edutube's blockchain course. This is Lecture 31 of Module 6, where we step away from technical details to discuss a topic that is becoming increasingly important as blockchain technology continues to grow: the ethical and environmental impacts of blockchain. Whether you're a blockchain enthusiast or simply curious about the broader effects of this technology, today's lecture will help you understand both the benefits and the challenges posed by blockchain in our everyday lives. Imagine you are considering buying a product at your local store. You want to know if the product was made ethically and whether its production harmed the environment. In many ways, the same questions are now being asked about blockchain. How does it affect our planet? And is it used ethically? By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of these issues and why they matter not only for the future of technology, but also for society as a whole. Understanding the ethical impacts of blockchain technology is often celebrated for its ability to create secure, transparent, and decentralized systems. However, like any powerful tool, its use raises ethical questions. Let's break down some of the key ethical issues surrounding blockchain technology using everyday examples. 1. Privacy and data ownership. One of blockchain's core promises is to give control of data back to the individual. Instead of a central authority managing your personal information, blockchain can allow you to own and control your data. This is similar to keeping a personal diary that only you can access, rather than handing it over to someone else. Ethical consideration. While the idea of data ownership is empowering, it also raises concerns about privacy. How do we ensure that sensitive information is protected from misuse? And how do we balance transparency with the right to privacy? For example, consider how you share personal stories with friends, but may not want the entire world to know them. Blockchain developers and policymakers need to address these issues to ensure that privacy rights are respected, while still allowing for transparency and accountability. 2. Fairness and access. Blockchain has the potential to democratize access to financial services and information. It can empower people who are underserved by traditional systems by providing them with a secure way to participate in the digital economy. Imagine a small business owner in a rural area who can now receive international payments directly via blockchain, without the need for expensive intermediaries. This is a powerful benefit. Ethical consideration. However, there is also a risk of creating new forms of inequality. Not everyone has equal access to the technology or the internet, which could lead to a digital divide. Just like high-speed internet is not available in every neighborhood, advanced blockchain applications might be out of reach for some communities. Addressing this issue requires thoughtful policies and initiatives to ensure that blockchain technology benefits everyone, not just those with the resources to access it. 3. Transparency versus accountability. Blockchain is often hailed for its transparency. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger. This openness can build trust, as it allows anyone to verify the integrity of data. For instance, think of a community bulletin board where every member can see who contributed what and when. However, absolute transparency can sometimes conflict with accountability. Ethical consideration. In some cases, too much transparency might expose individuals or organizations to unwarranted scrutiny or exploitation. There's a delicate balance between making information accessible and protecting the rights and reputations of those involved. For example, consider a scenario where a minor mistake in a blockchain transaction is visible to everyone forever. Ensuring fair treatment while maintaining accountability is a challenge that the blockchain community continues to navigate. Environmental impacts of blockchain technology. While blockchain offers many benefits, its environmental impact has become a hot topic of debate. Let's explore how blockchain affects the environment and what the future might hold for greener technologies. Energy consumption. The most widely discussed environmental concern regarding blockchain is its energy consumption. Many blockchain networks, like Bitcoin, rely on a consensus mechanism called proof of work, POW, which requires vast amounts of computing power and energy to validate transactions. Daily life example. Imagine running a high-performance computer 24/7 just to play a game of chess. Now multiply that by thousands or millions of users worldwide. The energy demand becomes enormous, much like leaving all the lights on in a city at all times. This level of energy use has significant environmental implications, particularly if the energy comes from non-renewable. 2. Carbon footprint and environmental sustainability. Because much of the energy used in POW blockchains comes from fossil fuels, these networks can have a substantial carbon footprint. This is similar to how driving a gas-guzzling car every day contributes to air pollution and climate change. The blockchain industry is aware of these issues, and many projects are actively seeking solutions, moving towards sustainability. Renewable energy initiatives. Some blockchain networks are shifting toward using renewable energy sources, such as solar or wind power, to power their mining operations. 2. Alternative consensus mechanisms. Newer blockchains are adopting more energy-efficient consensus methods, such as proof of stake, POS, which significantly reduce energy consumption. 2. Think of POS as riding a bicycle instead of driving a car. Both get you to your destination, but one is far more eco-friendly. 3. Carbon offsetting. Some projects are exploring ways to offset their carbon emissions through environmental initiatives, much like companies invest in tree planting to balance out their environmental impact. 3. Electronic waste. Another environmental concern is the electronic waste generated by obsolete mining hardware. As technology evolves, older machines are discarded, often ending up in landfills and contributing to electronic waste pollution. Daily life example. Think about how often you upgrade your smartphone. Each upgrade can lead to old devices being thrown away, which contributes to waste. Similarly, in blockchain mining, outdated hardware is frequently replaced, adding to the growing problem of e-waste. Addressing this issue involves developing better recycling programs and designing hardware with sustainability in mind. Balancing ethics and environment in blockchain. The ethical and environmental challenges of blockchain do not have simple solutions. However, there are ways the industry is working to create a more responsible and sustainable future. 1. Ethical frameworks and governance. Many blockchain projects are now incorporating ethical guidelines into their development. These frameworks are designed to ensure that blockchain is used responsibly, with considerations for privacy, fairness, and transparency. Just as companies follow ethical codes in business, blockchain networks can adopt similar standards to guide their operations. 2. Sustainable practices and innovation. Innovation is key to addressing environmental concerns. Developers are continuously researching and implementing greener technologies. The transition from proof of work to proof of stake in many networks is a prime example of this effort. Additionally, initiatives to use renewable energy and recycle electronic components are gaining momentum, showing that the blockchain community is committed to reducing its ecological footprint. 3. Collaboration and regulation. Governments and industry leaders are increasingly aware of the need for regulation and collaboration to address these issues. By working together, stakeholders can create policies that promote ethical practices and environmental sustainability. This cooperative approach is similar to community efforts to clean up neighborhoods or protect natural resources. Collective action can lead to significant improvements. Conclusion. Today's lecture explored the ethical and environmental impacts of blockchain technology, a topic that is as critical as it is complex. Let's recap the key points. 1. Ethical considerations. Data privacy and ownership empower users but raise questions about how personal information is protected. The potential for blockchain to democratize access is immense, yet the digital divide remains a concern. Balancing transparency with accountability is essential for fair and responsible use of blockchain. 2. Environmental impacts. The high energy consumption of proof-of-work blockchains poses significant environmental challenges. Transitioning to renewable energy, adopting energy-efficient consensus mechanisms, and addressing electronic waste are vital steps toward sustainability. Innovations like proof-of-stake and carbon offsetting initiatives are promising developments in making blockchain greener. The future of blockchain depends not only on technological advancements, but also on our ability to address these ethical and environmental challenges. As blockchain continues to evolve, it is crucial that developers, users, and regulators work together to create systems that are both innovative and responsible. Thank you for joining this important discussion on the ethical and environmental impacts of blockchain technology. Your curiosity and commitment to understanding these issues help drive the movement toward a better, more sustainable digital. If you found this lecture insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Edutube for more engaging, beginner-friendly content on blockchain and digital innovation. Stay tuned for our next lecture, where we continue our journey into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Happy learning and see you in the next lecture.
Edutube, because education is mandatory.